From a Korean perspective, our business leaders and consumers are long awaited a successful agreement. We know that Canada is an advanced democracy with huge market potential and high purchasing power, and is well integrated in the United States economy, making it easier for Korean companies to enter North American market as a whole. This agreement also gives Koreans a competitive edge of our competitors in the Canadian market. In the same way, we Koreans feel very privileged to be Canada's first free trade partner in Asia, making Korea a key gateway market for Canadian businesses in the Pacific and an anchor for Canada in the region. Koreans are fully supportive of the benefits that this free trade agreement will bring Canadians, particularly in leveling the playing field for Canadian companies competing with our other free trade partners and giving Canadians privileged access to Korea's market. Likewise, the free trade agreement gives Canadian companies access to Korea's comprehensive network of partners and operations within the Asian business community, key supply chains that begin in Korea and spread out all across Asia. It also allows the Canadian firms to take advantage of Korea's skilled labor as they adapt to Asian culture, customs, and its unique environment.